In this video, we're going to be making this coffee cake with white chocolate frosting, which is an absolute delight, especially if you love coffee. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need to make the coffee cake. So first off, you're going to grease a 7-inch round pan with some oil. Then you're going to line it with some baking paper, and this is an easy way to cut the baking paper. So you can just fold it like so and then measure the radius of the pan and cut the paper. And then open the cone and you have your circle. Make sure to press the baking paper on all sides so that it is not lifted up at the edges. And then keep the pan aside. Now to your hot water, you're going to add in the instant coffee powder. I'm using 3 half tablespoons here, which is 1.5 tablespoons. And then you're going to stir it in till it is dissolved. Crack open both your eggs in another bowl. And then beat them lightly. Now in another bowl, take your flour, add in the cocoa powder, baking powder, and the powdered sugar. And just mix it with a whisk till it is uniformly combined. Then add in the melted butter, coffee water, and the eggs. And then mix this until you have a uniform mixture, but make sure not to overmix the batter. And your batter is ready. Pour this in your prepared pan. And make sure to tap to get rid of any excess bubbles. And then bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 22 minutes. Take care not to overbake the cake. A toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean. And then let the cake cool completely. Now while the cake cools, you can make the frosting, and these are all the ingredients you'll need. So first you're going to take your white chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl and add in the butter. And then you're going to microwave this for about 20 to 30 second intervals until the chocolate and the butter has melted. Alternatively, you can also place this over a bowl of boiling water and stir it to melt it if you don't have a microwave. Now once this is melted, you're going to add in the sugar and stir it in. The mixture will start getting a bit dry, so you can switch to a spatula or a spoon and continue. Now once it has sort of combined, you're going to add in the milk. Add a little at a time and mix it in till you get your desired consistency. You can add more or little depending on how thick you want your frosting to be. And just make sure to beat well and your frosting will be ready to go. That is just about the consistency you're looking for. Now it's time to take the cake out of the pan, so I just run a knife around the edges of the cake. And then you're going to flip it onto your plate. And then just simply spread out the frosting on the top of the cake. I also let it slightly drizzle down the sides of the cake. And then you can dust the cake with some cocoa powder. This is completely optional, but I just thought it looked really pretty. And your cake is ready to serve. I cut a nice big slice to eat, and you can see how fluffy the cake is just while I'm cutting it. And you have a nice fluffy piece of coffee cake to enjoy. There's a little bite into it. It looks so good, and trust me, it tastes even better. The sweet white chocolate frosting pairs so well with the coffee flavor, and I feel like they're just a match made in heaven. I really do hope you try this cake out and share down in the comments below how it turned out for you. Make sure to subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you soon. Bye!